Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ty and I am so happy you're here. There are two rooms in my house that I dread cleaning, the kitchen and of course the bathroom. But when it's done, I feel like I have a spa at home. I'm ready to take a shower, brush my teeth, comb my hair, and do some self-care. Which room in your home do you dread cleaning the most? I like to remove everything from the surfaces. It makes things go a lot easier when I start cleaning. I also like to take out the rug and the shower curtains and put those in the wash. I make my own shower cleaner using a recipe like this one that I have posted on the screen, and I use it in combination with the Bon Ami scrubbing powder. It does a really good job without being toxic. I really like this brush from Amazon for cleaning the tiles. It's so big and it covers so much space that it makes cleaning the tiles really easy. Yes, that's a squeegee. I don't always do this part, but it helps if I wipe down the tiles so that the moisture in this small bathroom won't build up and lead to mold and mildew. We got these storage bins from IKEA some years ago. They came in packs of 3, and I love them, especially since we live in a small space. They add some great storage. Now I'm going to start at the top and work my way down to the bottom like I do in every room. I'm going to start by cleaning the mirror with my homemade glass cleaner and my favorite glass polishing cloths from eCloths. You can find eCloths on Amazon. I have to make sure that I disinfect the doorknobs and the light switches because my daughters get their little messy hands everywhere. One of my new favorite cleaning tools is this dish brush. I like that it scrubs without scratching and it's reusable. When you're done with the old pads, you can replace it with new ones. And if you didn't know, the OXO brand has these detail brushes that I love using to clean around the faucet. Now I'm refilling the soap dispenser with my favorite hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's. I love the lavender scent. I got these beautiful amber glass jars from Amazon. I really like the warm neutral color. One of my other favorite finds is this toothbrush holder from Joseph. I like this because it holds 4 electric toothbrushes, 2 tubes of toothpaste, and it has a shelf inside to hold the floss. And the best part is that all of the pieces come apart so that you can really get in there and clean it. There's nothing worse than the scum at the bottom of one of those old toothbrush holders. Now I'm going to use this dusting cloth from Eat Cloths to wipe down the shelves. I also have these matching amber glass jars from Target for my cotton balls, Q-tips, and cotton pads. It's from the Joanna Gaines line, Hearth and Home. Last but not least, it is time to clean the most disgusting part of the bathroom, and that is the toilet. I like to wear gloves when I'm cleaning the toilet. We have a bidet in our bathroom, and I would highly recommend that you look into getting one. And I'm just cleaning the knobs right now. I'm using disposable disinfectant wipes to clean the toilet, starting from the tank and working my way down. I make my own toilet bowl cleaner from baking soda and tea tree oil. We are almost done. The job isn't done until we clean the floors. Once I'm done vacuuming the bulk of the floor, I like to switch to the detail cleaner and just go around all of the edges. just used this room spray, the Neroli Ylang Ylang Eucalyptus room spray. I don't usually like using this kind of stuff. I got this from Target, but I wanted to use the rest of it up. I prefer to use essential oil, so I'm just gonna give it a few spritz. And there you have it, a nice clean bathroom. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired and motivated to clean the room in your house that you dread the most. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You can also check out some of my other Clean With Me videos. I'm looking forward to growing this community, and I'd love to do it with you. Peace and love. Bye!